Human geography, nature. According to one of the popular, widely accepted definitions, human geography is the study of man and his adjustment to his natural environment. Therefore, a numerous racial and ethnic groups in the world and the geoclimatic conditions of the various parts of the earth also differ from each other substantially. Each society or ethnic group uses, misuses, and underuses its natural resource base according to its cultural stage and technological advancement. For example, the mode of life of Pygmies of Congo Basin from that of the Bedouins of Saudi Arabia. Likewise, the aboriginals of Australian desert and Eskimos of tundra region have been compelled by their environments to practice hunting for their survival. The Nagas who used to practice headhunting till recent past have a very close territorial demarcation and their lifestyle is altogether different from the Nepalis and Kukis living in the same environment. The Gujars and Bakarwals who oscillate in the higher Himalayas and the Shivaliks in the summer and winter seasons differ from the Kashmiris and Dogras who live in the same habitat. This topic is huge, so we'll continue in the next video. Thank you.